We all know how important protein is when it comes to building muscle. But how protein builds muscle? First of all, protein is not only building muscle. It's repairing your bones, it helps you to fight with disease, it stimulates hairs and nails growth, etc. etc. And you need to make sure that you are eating enough protein. And it doesn't matter you are an athlete or not, whether you want to build muscle or lift more weights, or you are an endurance athlete, an even typical person who exercises for his health. Eating enough protein is crucial for your gains in the gym and for your overall health. And you need to eat enough protein, and especially when you are sick, because we all know you cannot stop sickness if you don't eat enough protein. But what is protein, first of all? Proteins are large, complex molecules that play a critical role in our body. They do most of the work in cells and are required for function, structure, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. If you find anything alive in the world, it has some protein. It consists of protein. Everything alive has a protein. Even grass has some protein. But in this video I will talk only about food protein. Protein consists of amino acids. There is 20 or so amino acids. Some of them essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acid intake will determine maximum muscle growth. But it doesn't mean that you don't need to eat non-essential amino acids. Non-essential amino acids are important too, because your body can make these non-essential amino acids. And there is also two types of protein. Complete, high-quality protein, think animal-based protein like meat, milk, eggs, etc. High quality protein, and incomplete protein or low quality protein. Think vegetables, seeds, nuts, etc. Incomplete proteins just don't have enough of essential amino acids. But how much of protein to eat? Listen, there is no harm from protein. You can become overweight if you will overeat carbs and fat, but you are less likely to become fat by overeating protein. Because protein is there for structure, and in fact there was a study done on humans who got way too high on protein intake. They ate much more protein than their basic number based on research was telling. And after 12 weeks, they didn't see any significant changes in their body weight. So you better eat more protein than this basic number based on research is telling you. Because as you age, you need more and more protein for not losing your muscle mass. If you are a typical person who exercises for his health, you can eat 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. If you are training for strength and you want to maintain your muscle mass, eat in the range 1.2 to 1.4 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you want to add more muscle, eat in the 1.6 to 2 gram range. And if you are an endurance athlete, you need of course to eat enough protein to compensate that muscle to energy conservation. Because of that great volume of conditioning that you are doing, you need to eat in the 1.2 to 1.6 gram range. And it doesn't matter how many meals per day you eat, just eat the numbers. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this small YouTube channel, dedicate your life to your purpose, and bye brother.